Yes, good afternoon, beta. Let's continue with the revision. And she is having one doubt. I am discussing doubt from congruence of triangle chapter. That is on page number 145, example number 7. Let's see this example. Example number 7 is in the figure is given. This angle is 30. This angle is 70. This is 70. This is B. Can you use ASA? आपने बस ये बताना है कि is congruency possible by using this rule and conclude that AOC is congruent to BOD. Can you use this congruency rule and can you show that the triangle AOC is congruent to BOD? This you need to show. So look at this figure. This is 3. This is 3. Now, as these two angles are vertically opposite angle, so this angle will be 30. So if you see this, angle AOC is equal to BOD is equal to 30 degree. Angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 70 degree. AC is equal to BD is equal to 3 centimeter. So this property is not ASA. The name of the property used here is AAS. Angle side. Because if 3 is written here, then it will become angle side angle. Because the two angles should lie on the common side. But here 3 is not the common side of the angle. It is apart from that, it is on the different side. So the triangles are obviously congruent, but not by ASA. These are congruent by AAS. Is it okay? So this thing that is given in the question that by ASA these are congruent, so that is wrong. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, can you say that triangles are congruent? तो आप लिखोगे no, triangles are congruent but not by ASA but by AAS. Is it okay?
मैम
हाँ जी
मैम इन्होंने जैसे जो फर्स्ट वाला है एंगल AOC एंड BOD इसको सॉल्व किया है, तो हम सॉल्व करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे?
नहीं, आप नहीं सॉल्व करोगे, आप ऐसे ही कर दो. उन्होंने पता क्या किया है, उन्होंने पता क्या किया, मैं बताती हूँ. वो कहते हैं कि एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से ये 80 आ गया, एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से ये 80 आ गया. तो कह रहा है कि अगर आप एक और एंगल फाइंड कर लो तो एंगल साइड एंगल से तब ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएंगे. कर सकते हो आप ये भी. अगर आप गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन लेके चलते हो तो AAS लग रहा है. अगर आप एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से थर्ड एंगल निकाल लेते हो तो यस, ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय ASA. तो आप कह सकते हो वो भी ठीक है. ठीक है, अगर आपने कंपल्सरी ये यूज करना है तो आपको एंगल 80 फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, शो भी करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर आपने ये करना है कि ये वाला रूल नहीं AAS कर रहा है तो आपको इस वे में चलना पड़ेगा. तो बहुत करेक्ट है. लेकिन अगर पेपर में आ जाए कि इससे पॉसिबल है तो हाँ पॉसिबल है, बट बाय फाइंडिंग एंगल A, नॉट विदाउट 80 means angle A, not without that. So you need to find angle A and angle angle B by angle sum property. Before that you can't proceed. तो आप कर सकते हो. दृष्टि आपसे पूछ रहे ना क्या पॉसिबल है. यस, इट इज पॉसिबल, बट बाय यूजिंग एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी you will find the third angle and you will say that these two are congruent by AS. Can पूछना ना, can का मतलब yes, it is the possibility. तो you will show the possible case. तो दोनों से पॉसिबल है, इससे भी पॉसिबल है, AES से भी पॉसिबल. Any other doubt? Yes.
मैम तो हम जॉन से मर्जी मेथड से कर सकते हैं.
नहीं बेटा, अगर ये पूछे ना कैन इट बी पॉसिबल तो फिर यस वाले मेथड से करना है, फिर एंगल 80 निकालना है. और फिर अगर आपसे पूछता है कि ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट है किससे, तो फिर दोनों में से कोई भी लिख देना. अगर ये पूछता है ना कि दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है बाय विच प्रॉपर्टी, तो आप दोनों ही आंसर दे सकते हो, दोनों करेक्ट है, AAS ASA. बट अगर ये पूछते हैं कैन इट बी पॉसिबल विद दिस, तो यस इट इज पॉसिबल बाय फाइंडिंग एंगल 80 बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. यस,
मैम और जो आप एमसीक्यूज में ऐसे ही सॉल्व वाले करवा रहे थे तो वैसे के भी आ सकते हैं।
बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं, बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं बेटा, बिल्कुल आ
मैम आप
सकते हैं।
वैसे के क्वेश्चंस करवा दोगे?
करवा देती हूँ मैं। हम कल क्या कर रहे थे बेटा?
मैम कल हम चैप्टर सिमेट्री।
सिमिट्री कर रहे थे। चलो हम पहले वो वाला कंप्लीट कर ले, फिर इसके क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे। पहले ऐसा करते हैं, मैं आपको रोटेशनल सिमिट्री के क्वेश्चंस दिखा
ओके
देती हूँ।
मैम।
ठीक है, 1 मिनट जरा आप वेट करो, 1 मिनट वेट करो। Yes, beta. Yesterday we were revising this chapter symmetry. Let's complete the revision of that first. We have discussed line symmetry. Now next you have to do rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry means when you rotate the figure, rotational symmetry, when you rotate the figure by different angles and till 360, then in how many steps it will be same as the previous figure, means main figure, that is called the order of rotation symmetry. Like if I draw a sphere, if you rotate it with 90 degree, it will be exactly same. If you again rotate it with 90 degree, it will be again same. If you rotate it again, it will be again same. So every time 90, 90, 90, 90 means till 360 angle, it will be same as the original figure. So you are getting, wait, so you will be getting 4 times the same figure as the original one. So out of these 4 angles, you are having same figure as the original one. So order is 4 and angle of rotation is, तो ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशन 90 है। अगर 90 पे फिगर सेम आ रही है तो आप ये बता सकते हो किस किस एंगल पे सेम आएगी। ये वाला क्वेश्चन भी आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है। पहले है 90 पे सेम आ रही है, फिर 180 पे सेम आ रही है, फिर 270 पे सेम आ रही है। 90 का टेबल आपकी बुक की लास्ट एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन गिवन है। तो आपको कहता है अगर फर्स्ट टाइम 60 पे फिगर सेम आती है देन एट हाउ व्हिच एंगल्स द फिगर विल बी अगेन सेम। तो देयर we wrote about table of 60. So here also you will write table of 90. So at these angles the figure will be exactly same as the length. So these are the angle of rotation is 90, but at these angles also the figure is same. Okay, so in the same manner please draw the rotational symmetry of rectangle. I am waiting, hurry up and show me the pic. Draw it first. So let's talk about rectangle. This is your rectangle. When you rotate this about 90 degree, you will be having this figure. Again rotation by 90, you will get same figure as the first one. Again at 90, you will be having this vertical figure. Then again at 90, you will be having this figure. Okay. So out of these 4 figures, this is the main figure. So out of these 4 times, you are having same figure as the previous one's original figure 2 times. So order is 2, angle is 360 by 2, that is 1. Now if at 180 you are getting the same figure, then can you tell me at which next angle you will be having the same figure? So you will write the table of 180. 180 again, one second multiple of 180 is 360. So you will always proceed till 360, not more than. So at these two angles you will be having same figure, and the angle of rotation is 180, order is 2. Done? Yes. Draw equilateral triangle and write the order and angle of rotation of equilateral triangle. Yes, hurry up everyone. Draw equilateral triangle. This is your equilateral triangle whose all sides are equal. When you see the angles about its center, it is having angle of 120 degree at the center. So at each rotation, when you rotate it with 120, you will be having same figure. When you again rotate it with 120, it will be again having same figure. Again after 120 degree rotation, you will be having same figure. So out of these, actually it is three-sided figure, so you will rotate it 3 times. When the figure is 4-sided, you will rotate it 4 times. So here I have rotated 3 times, and out of 3 times, all are seen as the main figure. So its order is 3, and angle is 360 by 3, that is 1. So that's why I have written 120 degree. So at the center, each angle is 121. इसका सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या है, ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. इसका स्क्वायर का सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या था? मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द डायगोनल्स. रेक्टेंगल का सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या था? इसका सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या था? ये वाला पॉइंट. मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ द ऑपोजिट साइड. इसका सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन ये था. इसका सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन क्या है? मीडियंस का बाइसेक्टर. जहां मीडियन सारे कट कर रहे हैं, ये उसका सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन है. ठीक है. सो द सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द मीडियंस. ठीक है, ये भी हमने किया हुआ है नोटबुक पे. पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द मीडियंस. इसमें क्या है? सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन, मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द मिड पॉइंट कह सकते हो, या पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द डायगोनल्स. इसका क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ द ऑपोजिट साइड. ठीक है, क्लियर? Now draw the rotational symmetry of isosceles triangle. Hurry up. Draw the rotational symmetry of isosceles triangle. Which I have forwarded you the syllabus, and this chapter is there in the test, revision test. Congruence of triangle is there in the next test. So after this, we will do the chapters that are related to your first test. After doing that, we will discuss the next chapter according to the time. So we have 5 chapters in the test. This is the first chapter. We need a lot of practice. Which is daily the work that we are doing in the classwork, you should revise that in the homework too. Next is your isosceles triangle. If I talk about isosceles triangle, two of its sides are same. If you rotate it, it will be like this. If you rotate it, it will be like this. If you rotate it, it will be like this. Then the last step will be same as the original. So out of these steps, we have got only one time same figure. So its order is 1. Its order is 1 and angle of rotation is 360. ठीक है, इसकी line of symmetry कितनी होती है? 1. It has only one line of symmetry and order of rotational symmetry is also 1. Yes, everyone, draw the rotational symmetry of circle and write the angles also. Draw the rotational symmetry of circle. Hurry up. At least circle is same everywhere. At each point it is having same figure. So if you rotate it with 0, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, it will be same everywhere. Okay. So its order of rotational symmetry is infinite and angle of rotation is at each, or you can say at every angle. And order is infinite. Order is infinite and angle is at every angle. We are having the same figure everywhere. Is it okay? Now I'm making few figures on the board. You have to draw the rotational symmetry and write the order and angle of rotational symmetry of each figure. This is the first figure. Please make, hurry up. If you rotate it, it will be like this. It will be like this. Okay. Then again for by rotation, it will be like this. Then again it will be like this. So out of these 4 times, 2 figures are same. So its order is 2 and angle is 360 by 2. That is 180. Is it okay? Please rotate this. Keep one thing in mind. This is the small angle. This is the large angle. Don't make them equal. If they are equal, then it will be have same order of rotational symmetry of sphere. But now they are not same. So be careful while making it. Draw it, hurry up. Do it, hurry up. If you rotate it with the angle, then it will be having larger angle here and smaller angle here. If you again rotate it, it will be like this, small, large. Again rotate it, small, large. And again, after rotation, it will be having small angle in the upper side and large at the right side. So out of these 4 figures, these 2 are same. So again, its order is 2 and angle is 360 by 2, that is 180. First figure, second figure, third figure, then fourth. Can you tell the order? Can you tell the order of rotational symmetry? Out of the 4 figure, only one time we are having same figure. So its order is 1 and angle is 360. So its order is 1 and angle is 360. Please keep one thing in mind. Every figure has order of rotational symmetry 1. हर फिगर का 1 तो होता ही है, उससे ज्यादा हो सकता है, उससे कम नहीं हो सकता. तो 1 जिसका ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री 1 से ज्यादा है वो तो ओके है, लेकिन जितनी भी रिमेनिंग फिगर है उनका ऑर्डर 1 है और एंगल ऑफ रोटेशन जो है वो 360. ठीक है. Yes. The center point is given. This is the center. Here I have marked the cross. So, what will be the order of rotational symmetry of this? Actually, it is a figure which is having 6 corner points. एक मिनट वेट करो मैंने 6 बना दिया but it should be 5 are given in the book. So it is the center. Now it is having 5 corners. 5 corners are there now. If you join them, it will be same in the form of the pentagon. And pentagon is always having 5 lines of symmetry. And if you divide the center angle, above the vertex, so this angle 360 will be divided into 5 parts. It will be 72 degree. So angle of rotation is 72 and order is 5. Order 5 है क्योंकि 5 corners है. Actually the figure is regular. Regular means all angles are same. Side angles are same. Not I am talking about the center angle. So 360 will be divided by 5. 5 is the order and angle of rotation is 72 degree. Whenever you are having regular figure, there are जैसे 3-sided figure है तो 3 से divide कर दो. 4-sided figure है 4 से divide कर दो. 5-sided figure है then you will divide it with 5. Okay students, homework I have given you. See you in the next class. Have a good day.